Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Nigerian Supreme Court has sentenced Adamawa State farmer Sunday Jackson to death by hanging for killing Fulani herdsman in what many describing as legitimate self-defense. Now move to Kwara State. The Kwara State government is set to register every resident of the state and issue them with the unique state security identification number and cards. The leadership of the Christian Association of Nigeria in 19 northern states and FCT has passed vote of confidence on its newly elected leader, Chairman Reverend John Joseph Hayab. Now the family of late head of state General Sani Abuja has questioned former military president General Ibrahim Babangida against tarnishing image of the former military leader. Now insecurity, over 15 kidnapped persons, including women and children, have regained freedom in Nenarki town in the northwest Nigeria after spending about 11 weeks in captivity. Gunmen have abducted a member of the Nigerian Bar Association's NBA identified as M.A. Mustafa in Lokoja, Kogi State. He was picked up by the gunmen along with two other people to an unknown location. Now Kano State Police Command arrests 4 suspected bandits, recover arms and cash on Saturday. Now move to Abuja. The FCT Police Command has arrested a key suspect linked to the murder of Brigadier General Udokwere, who was assassinated at his residence in Lokogoma, Abuja on June 22, 2024. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can also share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment and share. Still on insecurity, the Nigerian army have neutralized 2 notorious bandit leaders, Yusuf Governor and Malam Ashiru, in a major operation in Duzema local government area of Katsina State. Still on insecurity, the leader of Mieti Allah Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria in Kwara State, Alhaji Idris Abubakar, has been shot dead by unknown gunmen on Saturday. Now move to politics. Former Vice President Alhaji Atiku Abubakar has said he is still a bona fide member of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Atiku reacted to a report that he was abandoning the PDP to another party. Opposition's party warns President Bola Ahmed Tinubu against overconfidence in APC endorsement. Still on politics, over 10,000 members of Labour Party have dumped to African Democratic Congress (ADC) in Kaduna State on Saturday. Now PDP governors reject rumor of endorsing El-Rufai Obi 2027 presidential tickets. Now from the international scene, the United States executed a South Carolina man by firing squads on Friday, marking the first such execution in the country since 2010. A 67-year-old man was convicted brutally murdering his ex-girlfriend's parents in 2001. Now sports. The chairman of the National Sport Commission, Malam Shehu Dikko, has commended Nigerian female contenders for their outstanding contributions to sport. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can also follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment and share. Thank you and see you next.